wondered how the bold flapper era would look if the Gen Zs took over the design studio. That's the exact spark behind our Identity Exhibition 2025, where Design Ecole is collaborating with Century to challenge us with 1920s inspired case study. Hello everyone, myself Meena Ramnani, currently pursuing BVoc in fashion designing from Design Ecole College in 3rd year. Research. I began by diving into deep research, exploring flapper silhouettes, fringes, pearls, and the freedom-filled energy of the Jazz Age. This helped me understand how the style expressed identity back then and how it could be reimagined for today. Concept board. Next, I developed a concept board, turning historical elements into fresh ideas that speaks to Gen Z's confident personality. From there, I wrote a clear concept statement that defined the direction and mood of my collection. Mood board. I then created a detailed mood board, capturing colors, textures, emotion of the both eras. This step helped me visually bridge the 1920s glamour with the simplicity and boldness which the Gen Zs loved. Material board. A material board followed where I selected chiffon, satin, rayon, pearls and trims that fit the fusion theme. These materials were chosen for the movement shine ability to reflect both vintage and modern identities. Range plan. The range plan I made focuses on comparing shapes, embellishments and styling to show which fusion expresses the theme more strongly. Pattern making. Translating sketches into real shapes and testing proportions and fits. This stage helped me refine the silhouette and bring the design closer to its final form. Finally, I constructed the final garment, completing it with the 1920s inspired elements, fringes and pearls. The outcome beautifully blends flapper drama with Gen Z's freshness, showing how identity can travel through time and still feel new. Thank you Design Ecole for giving me the opportunity of letting me participate in this identity exhibition. I am grateful to the teachers as well. Because of their support, I have completed my case study successfully. Thank you.